So we've looked at almost all of Soundpeats earbuds on his channel, and most of us are pretty confident with the products they launch, always focusing on great quality and great value.
Denim jeans, broken dreams in my pocket. Golden thing round my neck like a locket. Carve your name in my mind, cause you caught it. You caught it. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Meet under the street like at the young, so I could show you. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you're glowing. Meet under the mezzanine.
Today we're taking a look at a new earbuds from Soundpeats that comes with a pretty cool sounding name, and from a branding perspective, I think Soundpeats are seriously on the right track. So will these be any good? Welcome to a review of the Soundpeats MAC. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the Soundpeats MAC. So I've personally bought the Soundpeats MAC for my review purposes, and I've got this in Malaysia for a super value for money 95 Malaysia ringgit, and that is about US 25. These are typical Soundpeats prices, and especially on their budget range of earbuds, but don't get fooled because the price to performance ratio of Soundpeats is awesome. So if you're interested in getting these earbuds, definitely check out some of the links in the description below, and it'll definitely help out the channel a lot. The Soundpeats MAC in all respect is a very simple earbuds designed with the principle to deliver good audio without fancy features or clutter. And I think from that perspective, this really meets what it sets out to do. Comparing it to the Soundpeats Q that we've previously reviewed, there are some things that the Q has that the MAC doesn't, and vice versa. So we'll check out those out in a while. The case of the Soundpeats MAC is super minimal, and if you're the type of person who likes your case minimal and stealthy, this is totally up your alley. The case is made of a matte black rubberized finish with nothing on the case except for a Soundpeats logo on the top in a glossy black finish. Turning to the back, you get the Type-C charging port and a charging indicator at the side that keeps on blinking when it's either charging the earbuds or when you plug it in to charge the case. The number of times the LED blinks during charging also tells you the amount of battery in the case. So 1 blink means you have 0 to 25% of battery life, 2 blinks means you have 25 to 50%, 3 blinks means 50 to 75%, and 4 blinks means you have 100%. Which honestly, I don't like to have to read the manual to decode the case battery life. Just put 4 LEDs at the front so it's easy to tell. And personally, I think there's a missed opportunity here with the flat bottom to have a wireless charging, and if that's what you're looking for, the slightly more expensive Soundpeats Q does come with wireless charging. And apart from that, there are no other writings or brandings anywhere else on the case to clutter up the clean appearance of the case, which is really cool. So the lid opening action is also very smooth, and Soundpeats uses a simple friction lid to hold the lid up without the lid slamming shut on you when you want to access your earbuds. And you see the earbuds lying flat inside the case, which is pretty modern design. In terms of the earbuds, I think the head part of the earbuds is very similar to the Soundpeats Q, and personally I think the fit itself is also very similar. The touch sensor surface is also very simple with nothing else but the curved Soundpeats branding and a stealthy indicator in the middle, which is very simple and goes away after it connects to your phone with or without music playing, so nice execution there. Lastly, the stem of the MAC is rounded and larger, where Q is shorter and flatter. So it really depends on which design you like better, but the longer and rounder stem does come with a benefit. So the slightly longer stem does give the MAC an improved battery performance at 9 hours compared to the 7 hours of the Soundpeats Q. And with the case, the MAC gives you a total of 60 hours of playback time, whereas the Q has a total of 21 hours. So in other words, the MAC is cheaper, doesn't have wireless charging, but has a longer stamina battery than the Q. The earbuds takes about 1.5 hours and the case takes about 2 hours to fully charge. Feature-wise, these are pretty mediocre, but Soundpeats does give the earbuds a Bluetooth 5.0 chipset which supports both the AAC and SBC audio codec, where the Q only supports the SBC codec, so slight improvement there, but nothing modern. The earbuds, however, comes with a rated IPX7 water resistant rating, which is also better than the IPX5 of the Soundpeats Q, and with a higher IPX7 rating, you pretty much don't have to worry about getting them wet, or even if you drop it into a puddle of water, shouldn't be much of a problem for these earbuds. The Soundpeats MAC also comes with a super seamless mono and stereo mode, so you can switch either side in and out of the case and audio will still continue playing on the other side. Awesome stuff there. Lastly, like most earbuds today, there are no multi-point connectivity on the Soundpeats MAC, but at this price point, we're honestly not looking for it to have complex feature like that. Sound quality wise, I think the MAC is tuned a little towards the warmer end of the spectrum, and it does seem to shine a little bit more on the low ends, meaning the EQ is a bit more left skewed. Bass on these are strong but not the most powerful, definitely more emphasis on the sub bass when it gets to higher volumes, and I'm happy to say that in lower volumes bass doesn't disappear, which is really nice. This is good for any music that you want more emphasis on the bass notes, and you can hear the earbuds have decent mids, highs and vocals, but you do feel that they are pushed a little bit to the back and doesn't sound as bright. Soundstage on these are pretty normal for a small driver earbuds, not the widest but sufficiently immersive when it comes to watching movies casually. Comparing it to the Q, if you like slightly brighter sound signature, then definitely go with the Soundpeats Q. The Soundpeats MAC is a pretty solid pair of earbuds for phone calls, especially in this price point. It handles calls very well in both quiet and noisy environments and does a really good job with suppressing environmental noise. I do notice the occasional choppiness in the call quality, especially when you speak softly. Anyways, let's take a listen to the call quality test of these earbuds. So this is a test to see if the Soundpeats MAC is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear the difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. Soundpeats did a very good job with even their Bluetooth 5.0 earbuds. Where some companies use earlier chipsets, most Soundpeats modern earbuds have almost no latency when it comes to movies and even gaming. Even with FPS games like PUBG, latency is very low and overall it's very enjoyable. Anyway, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So this is a test to see whether or not these earphones actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap into the microphone and you should be able to tell. So here we go. And if you see the hands not synchronized with the sound, then you will know that these earphones actually have a latency problem. Similar to all Soundpeats earbuds, I've said it many times and I'll say it again, I think Soundpeats should really be the gold standard for controls on true wireless earbuds. And to increase the volume, tap once on the right earbuds and it will slowly increase your volume, and to decrease the volume, tap once on the left earbuds and it will slowly decrease your volume. To play or pause media or pick up phone calls, tap twice on either side of the earbuds and it will play or pause your media. So very simple. To skip tracks forward, press and hold the right earbuds and it'll skip your tracks forward, and to skip backwards, tap and hold on the left earbuds and it'll skip it backwards. And lastly, to call your assistant, triple tap on the left earbuds and it will pause your media and pull out your assistant. So that's basically all of the controls you get with the Soundpeats MAC. Well, to be honest, it's a bit difficult to choose between the MAC and the Q. Both of them have individual characteristics that makes them good at their own respect. But if you ask me, I'll pay less for the Soundpeats MAC for better IP rating and better battery life. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.